Hello friends, myself Nayan Kumar, and today I am here to discuss something very serious regarding the coronavirus challenge. We have been running through the fourth lockdown session in our country, but even though we people are not feeling secured, because whatever government is doing for us, I think that is not sufficient to handle this pandemic situation. So in this situation, what will be our role? Can we play some role to save our nation, to save our loving one, to save our locality? So as an educated fellow or as a responsible citizen of this country, definitely we can play some role to save our nation, to save the humanity or save the lives. So what will be our role? So my basic plan is to set up coronavirus awareness center or village quarantine center at your own locality, because as of now whatever government is doing, they are doing their own political campaigning only. So they are not involving NGOs or opposition or other social leaders, because they don't want to give the credit to anyone. They want to fight with the coronavirus by themselves only. So but I think they are not self-sufficient to handle the situation in a good way. So our PM has addressed the nation many times that diya jalao, ghanti bajao, tali bajao, even though these things are not relevant to recover from this pandemic situation. So behind the scene, they are always having their political thing in their mind. So friend, don't expect that you will get immediate response from the government on they are quite self-sufficient to handle the situation in their own way. So what about the village quarantine center or corona awareness center? So in this case, you need some basic arrangement to set up your center. So first of all, you need to make yourself educated by viewing YouTube videos or by consulting with the expert or some doctors or some you can physically visit some quarantine center also to have the basic idea what are the necessary thing required to set up this kind of unit at your locality. So as of now, whatever my knowledge concerned, I have note down some essential things those are required to run your setup. So first of all, you need a premises to set up your unit. So you can go for school, or you can select any temple, you can select any vacant premises or isolated building at your locality. Then you need to convince your local people, because you need some financial support also. If you are not able to get support or get the confidence of your local people, then definitely you are not able to start with this setup. So first of all, you need to campaign door-to-door campaigning at your locality so that people get convinced with your idea. After once you select your location, then you need some arrangement, and I have listed those arrangement what you need exactly need. You need 2-3 bed, 2-3 bed, or then you need to keep the bed at a distance of 1 or 2 meter. Then you need 3 chair. Then if your center is able to handle 3 patients only, in that case you need 3 bed, then 3 chair, then 3 table, then 3 dustbin, then 3 or more bed sheet, because you need to change your bed sheet daily basis, or if you can arrange more bed sheet, you need to take care of the cleanliness of your unit. Then you need 3 blanket, then 3 mosquito net, then bathing arrangement, then you need folding toilet also. In case of if you are not able to arrange separate toilet for each and every patient, then you can start with one folding toilet only. Then you need some emergency medicine. For that you can contact or you can consult with the doctor. So what are the emergency medicine you required at your unit? So from my point of view, you need some cough syrup, then paracetamol, and other medicine, it's better to consult with a doctor and be ready with that medicine. Then you need to take care of the cleanliness of your setup. For that you can take the help of your local panchayat, then municipality board. Then you can do monthly arrangement also if you engage someone to clean your setup each and every day, and you can make an arrangement of monthly payment to him. Then food arrangement is also a major thing for your to run your setup. So how to arrange the food, you can do the thing like one family one day, like that you can rotate the turn from one to other family, and in this way you can arrange the home food at your center, in your center. So then you need your sanitizing machine to sanitize your premise each and every day. Then and for as a sanitizer you need bleaching powder also, then fan, then other arrangement that will be required. And once you start with your setup, definitely when you start your setup, then you will able to know so what are the other thing you require. But I think with this much of thing you can start with your center. So friends, don't sit idle, because we are having the buffering time. We are lucky enough, then we are having some time to make ourselves prepare to meet the worst scenario. So this is the COVID-19 challenge. Actually COVID-19 has come up with new challenge, that the fittest, survival for the fittest one. So there is old saying that it's a place for the fittest people. It's a place for the fittest one. So if we are quite capable enough to handle this situation, to recover from this pandemic situation, definitely you can prove yourself that you are the fittest to survive. So friends, take care and be ready with your own plan. Thank you. I will come up with plan B in my next session. Thank you.